It's not a matter of if, but when a threat is going to put your organization's data at risk. In a recent global survey of more than 2,600 executives, cyber threats were identified as the top business risk of 2022, ahead of pandemics, supply chain issues, and labor shortage concerns. The biggest cyber threats businesses are watching include ransomware attacks, data breaches, remote work-related security vulnerabilities, and cloud technology platform failures. The number of threats continued to climb as cyber criminals continue to increase their efforts to extort money from organizations through data breaches, phishing scams, account hacking, and more. According to a recent Verizon study, ransomware attacks have increased by over 50% year over year. Another study over doubles that amount, and the cost of dealing with these threats continues to rise. It's more expensive than ever to protect your data. Ransomware costs businesses millions annually. Organizations of all sizes pay annually for cyber insurance if they can even get a policy, and premiums are on the rise. The average cost of a ransomware attack doubled in 2021 to an estimated $1.8 million, and with traditional security tools, downtime and recovery costs can be 10 times the average ransomware payment. What options does that leave? In a ransomware attack, for example, paying the criminals the ransom is no guarantee that you'll get your data back. Sophos reports that 92% of companies that pay don't get their data back, and the U.S. Department of Treasury has issued advisories that paying ransom may be illegal in some instances. Your data is the lifeblood of your business, and criminals know it. With the number of new threats and vulnerabilities, it's getting harder than ever to protect your data. Upon penetrating your defenses, criminals will seek to encrypt your data and then ask for ransom to get the key. In order to prevent the recovery of data, they will attempt to delete your backup data. And if they steal your data, they may even ask for a second ransom to not push it into the world. With all kinds of cyber attacks rising, costs increasing, and traditional solutions failing, many companies are left asking, where do we go from here? Ransomware has challenged organizations like no other threat in recent history. Not only is it necessary to protect the perimeter from external and potentially internal threats, but protecting the organization from data loss or theft requires a new set of tools and skills. Successful IT and security teams are best armed to thwart cyber attacks when solutions and workflows are tightly integrated. Cyber resilience is the integrated approach to address data protection and data security. It starts with a solid foundation of data protection that includes high availability solutions with redundant components and mirrored data to address the challenges of disaster recovery and business continuity. It also includes data recovery with granular, efficient backup and long-term archive. These data protection solutions are combined with intelligent threat detection to identify anomalies across the organization, including storage behavior or user behavior anomalies, and then being able to quickly remediate the threat to bring data and applications back online with minimal disruptions if an attack breaks through the defenses. Designing the right solutions start with your data. To illustrate the point, consider the design of an automobile. All of the safety systems of an automobile are designed to protect the passengers, not the vehicle. Seatbelts, airbags, crush zones, side impact beams, even braking and new features like lane assist and blind spot detection are designed with the purpose to prevent collisions that would injure the passengers. We approach cyber resilience the same way, by designing solutions around what you value most, your data. We specialize in storing, accessing, protecting, and moving data. Protection and security are not afterthoughts. They are built into our DNA. Built on a foundation of ONTAP, the leading storage operating system, NetApp has built-in features and capabilities that protect your data where your data is stored. Space-efficient immutable snapshot copies provide rapid and granular data recovery and that prevent encryption by malware. Integrated into ONTAP is the ability to replicate data for backup and DR to another ONTAP device or to object storage, on-premises or in the cloud. SnapLock, a feature of ONTAP, provides indelible copies that can't be deleted or modified, which can be used for secure data retention and as a logical air gap. ONTAP includes in-flight and in-place data encryption. ONTAP F policy identifies users' access to data and can also prevent malicious files from being written to disk. And a new built-in machine learning-based feature, autonomous ransomware protection, can observe data entropy indicative of potential malware attacks. We layer on top of ONTAP intelligent data services that add additional protection, such as Cloud DataSense, which can scan through all your file and object data stores to identify sensitive data, where it's located, and who has permissions. And with Cloud Insights, you can integrate with ONTAP F policy to monitor user account behavior, to identify user anomalies, and even automatically create snapshot recovery points and block further user access to prevent data exfiltration. All of NetApp products are built with multi-factor authentication and role-based access, supporting the latest in user account security practices. But that's not all. We partner with leading technology vendors to take advantage of our capabilities through a set of RESTful APIs. Starting with your data at the center is part of a zero trust architecture and a smart way to thwart cyber attacks. Integrating data protection and data security allows for a richer conversation on how to address the challenges of cyber threats. A popular framework used to plan and prepare for cyber threats is the Cybersecurity Framework, published by the National Institute for Standards and Technology, or NIST. It includes 5 steps: identify, protect, detect, respond, and recover. NetApp has simplified this list to 3: protect, detect, and recover, and our portfolio of solutions offers unique value in each of the 5 and therefore 3 steps. We help our customers protect their data by eliminating threats of ransomware attacks and by preventing unplanned data loss. We enable users to quickly identify threats with AI and ML-based technologies before they have time to do damage. And we offer technology to rapidly restore data and assist with forensics to get applications back online and identify the source of a threat. NetApp has built a portfolio of solutions available in partnership with Google Cloud. Built on the foundation of ONTAP, Cloud Volumes ONTAP is a virtual instance of ONTAP available in the Google Marketplace that delivers high availability and the rich features available from the leading storage operating system. Cloud Volumes Service is a fully managed storage service, managed through the Google Cloud Console, offering flexible performance, elastic capacity, and advanced data management features, such as immutable snapshots, clones, and efficient backup to object. NetApp Cloud Backup delivers simple, efficient, integrated backup for Cloud Volumes ONTAP or on-premises ONTAP storage to object storage, such as Google Cloud Storage. Cloud Insights offers powerful infrastructure monitoring and reporting across your hybrid cloud with advanced features to detect and protect against ransomware attacks when combined with ONTAP storage, such as Cloud Volumes ONTAP. And Cloud DataSense can look across your storage resources, including file and object storage, to identify and categorize your data for improved data governance. Cyber resilience integrates data protection and data security into one unified approach to protecting your data. NetApp solutions help to deliver the tools needed for IT and security teams to better protect data stored in Google Cloud or wherever your data is located. My name is Jason Blossel. I'm a principal marketing strategist at NetApp. Let's start the conversation about your cyber resilience. So I encourage you to reach out to your NetApp Google Cloud seller today to learn how NetApp can help you better protect your data. Thank you.